Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Kristin Hildabrand. She's Warren County's Extension Agent for Horticulture. Good morning, Kristin.
Good morning, Kristi.
Well, we have an exciting programming coming up, and you are here today to tell everyone about it.
Yes, so we're really excited. We are bringing the herbs back. We're actually going to be talking about summer herbs this time. So some of the viewers may have remembered we did a cool season herbs class, and that was really good. But this one we're really excited to do together again, and it's mainly going to focus on the summer herbs that are ideal for growing here in Kentucky in the warm season type months. So these are the things that are easily killed by frost, so that's why you want to wait until after Derby Day. Generally is when it's an ideal time to plant them outside. But herbs are just really one of my favorites, Kristi, because they're so versatile. Mainly in this program that we're going to tell you about is going to be focusing on culinary herbs that you can also, grow them outside and also bring them inside to use, especially to enhance those dishes at home. And you're going to actually be sharing a lot of different ways that people can actually use those herbs. And I feel like there's, we understand that they're easy to grow, they're easy to care for, but then we may fall short on knowing how to cook with them.
Definitely, Kristin. And I think sometimes maybe we grow something and we don't have a plan. So we are definitely going to try to help everyone come up with a plan for how they can use them in their dishes. Kristin, what herbs are we going to be focusing on?
Yes, so I'm glad you asked that. So basil is going to be a big one, and basil is just a lot of fun, especially when you think about summertime dishes, because basil is just that real popular one that you have to have, whether it be in salads or even pizza. It looks really good as a garnish, even on some dishes too. But there's a lot of different varieties of basil. Mm-hmm. Most oftentimes we think of sweet basil is most commonly used, but then there's other basils like cinnamon basil, lemon basil. Holy basil, purple basil. There's just a lot of basil out there. So that one's going to be the highlight, probably. We're also going to touch on rosemary, and we're also going to hit on oregano, which is the pizza herb. And then seems like we have another one that I can't think of right this second, but I'm sure I'll think of it.
And Kristin, it's going to be so much fun because, like you said, we're going to be coming into the kitchen, and mm-hmm. I'm going to be doing some food demos. One we're really excited about is the Blackberry and Basil spritzer.
That just sounds so good to me.
It really does, and it's a refreshing and low-calorie drink, so I think we're all going to be excited for that. And then next is the tomato basil salad. So another hearty dish that will bring all of those flavors and bring out that fresh basil.
Yeah, and with that tomato basil one, it's really good just to cut up and you can serve it cold, or if you want to put it in the refrigerator. But the other herb that we are going to touch on is mint. And so mint can be aggressive in your garden, but it's also great used along fruit salads. It's even great when you add it into your beverage. So we are really excited about this class, and a lot of people are probably thinking, okay, when is this class going to take place? So it's going to take place on Thursday, May the 13th. This is actually going to be offered as a lunch and learn type program. So and the way we're going to do it is we're allowed to kind of open up the office now. So if you feel more comfortable coming into the office, we ask that you mask and socially distant. But it'll be held at 12 o'clock. Or if you'd rather just do it during your lunch hour, it's easy to join, from your office, or even while you're at home, you can also join us via Zoom as well.
So people can join in person if they want, or on Zoom. Yes. And what a great time to have it mm-hmm. on that lunch hour. If you are working, we would love to have you join. Now, Kristin, is there a cost to this class?
No, there is absolutely not. We do ask that we want you to fill out a survey after you complete the class, just so that way we can get some feedback from you and see how you're planning on using this class in the future. But we are really pumped and excited. It's summer herbs from garden to table, growing and cooking with the herbs. And again, it's going to be on Thursday, May the 13th, during your lunch hour, either online or in person here at the Extension office. So hope that everybody can join us.
Yes, and if you have any questions, feel free to call the office. We can get you signed up for in person or on Zoom. Yes. All right, Kristin, thank you so much for being with us today. Can't wait for the class.
Yes.
Thanks so much for joining us today, and we hope you have a great day.